Athens, Georgia, CSX. Georgia 72, straight across. 2-engine, 3429, 428. Carrying coal. To the right is east-northeast towards Elberton. It looks like where they're headed, coming from Athens over from the left. Winterville is straight back behind us. Wonder how long that much coal would heat a 1,500 square foot house that is, you know, just average insulated. One of those cars, not all of them, but one car. I used to count the train cars when we got stopped up by a train, but that's been a long time ago. Always curious how many cars that were on the train. Really nice fall afternoon. It is, what time is it? 2:25. About 40 degrees is the high today, going down to about 26 tonight. I don't know what the high for tomorrow is. I think about the same thing, 42, somewhere in there. Going to be getting a little warmer Wednesday through the weekend. Very little rain in the forecast, if any. Please like, share, and subscribe. We have over 3,600, probably 3,700 videos now. Over 100 playlists, all sorts of different projects or topics. Drone videos, some underwater drone videos, new construction, driving videos, product reviews, auto repair reviews, new home construction, on and on and on. City reviews, city driving through, night views, night videos, rain videos, silent videos. Train playlist of train videos. Leaves are raining down. This train is moving slow, but it is sort of a long train. 5 minutes now. It's picking up speed. It must have just started off not far down the track there to our west. Ah, this may be a mid-engine train. There are two at the beginning, one here. 8:55. Okay, this is a mid-engine train. We've got a ways to go. I wonder how they coordinate the power. Like I said, you got two at the front. Obviously, they're pulling. Is this one in the middle pull and push? I guess it would, wouldn't it? Or is it just pull? How do they balance that? How do they make sure that one is not, that this mid-engine is not pushing harder? Or whatever, maybe, I'm not sure exactly what I'm trying, which way I'm trying to say it. I know what I mean, but I don't know how to convey it. Okay, well, there's the end of the train. So we will be moving along pretty quick here now, 5-6 minutes and 30 seconds.